To begin uploading a firmware onto your printer, you will need the data cable provided with your printer. Making sure the printer is turned off, insert the RJ11 end to the printer and the USB end to your computer. In most cases, your computer won't recognize the cable, so let's go ahead and download the correct drivers, so it does. Google search Prolific USB to Serial driver. Click the first link. Click the link for download file. Now you can open the contents of the downloaded driver file. Right-click and click Extract Files. Open the folder and run through the installation file. Your computer should begin to pick up the data cable. If it doesn't, you can try replugging it back in. If your computer is ready to use a firmware upload tool, it should appear in your device manager under the ports section. To check this, click the Start menu and type in Device Manager. Expand the ports section to see which COM port has been allocated. You are now ready to run the firmware upload tool. Locate the firmware you downloaded for the printer. If you don't have a program to open this type of file, you can download WinRAR. Google WinRAR, click the first link, click the download link that corresponds to your operating system. Once the download is complete, open the WinRAR file and run through the quick installation process. You can find the tool under the Tools folder. It will have a blue icon next to it. Make sure you have the same settings as I have here. Select the core file from the firmware folder. Select the app file from the firmware folder. Select the correct COM port as shown on your device manager. You can either click Start or Start All. Once the timer starts, turn on your printer. If done correctly, the printer should not turn on and the firmware should be uploading. If this does not happen, make sure the battery is connected and has enough charge. Ensure any packing is removed from the battery. You can also try using the power adapter instead. Once the progress is green and 100%, you can disconnect the cable from the printer and restart it. As the printer loads, you can check the firmware version to see if the upload was successful. Alternatively, you can press the F1 button and then scroll down to version info. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with the latest features and more support materials.